Hi, I'm Katie from Ornamental Trees, and in this guide I'm going to walk you through how to install a stake and tie to your newly planted tree. This is an important step in the planting process as it will help to anchor the tree's roots properly and prevent root rot, which can lead to establishment issues. In this video I'll be using a medium-sized single stake and tie, which is suitable for trees up to 2.5 metres in height. For larger trees we recommend 2 stakes and a crossbar, which we'll cover in another guide. Place the stake upwind of the tree so that the tree is blown away from the stake at a 45-degree angle so it is not penetrating the root mass. Knock it in until it is firm, until about 1/3 of the stake is underground. Ensure the top of the stake remains adjacent to the tree. Tie the tree firmly to the stake using a tree tie. Here we're using a buckle tie which can be adjusted if required as the tree grows in size. The buckle should be assembled like so, with 2 loops for wrapping around the tree and the stake and a spacer in the middle. A spacer prevents rubbing by allowing some room between the tree and stake. The whole thing should look like a figure of 8. A tie should only provide gentle support, so make sure you are not immobilising the tree by tying too tightly, as it should be allowed some natural movement in the wind. Keep the stake in place for approximately 12 to 18 months, after which time it can be removed. And that's it! If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the Ornamental Trees newsletter for more gardening tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new tree for years to come.